be like a sturdy oak, standing strong, it ain't no joke, built to last through the storm and strife. It's a cornerstone of our life. We started with a solid base, each day adding to our grace. And if we take it for granted though, it'll be like sawdust on the floor. But if we chip away at our love too much, all that's left will be sawdust. Gotta cherish what we've got to keep our love on track, 'cause you can't saw sawdust to mend the cracks. 'Cause when all that's left is dust and debris, we wonder where we lost the key to building a love that's strong and true. We gotta nurture it, me and you. But if we chip away at our love too much, all that's left will be sawdust. Gotta cherish what we've got to keep our love on track, 'cause you can't saw sawdust to mend the cracks. Love's not a game of give and take. It's a bond of trust we have to make. With every knot and every grain, we can build a home where love remains. But if we chip away at our love too much, all that's left will be sawdust. We gotta cherish what we've got to keep our love on track, 'cause you can't saw sawdust to mend the cracks. No, you can't saw sawdust to mend the cracks.